There's an Our Abertawe event in the Hafod Community Centre. It's an ideal opportunity to engage with different members of the community. There's a very diverse community base in the Hafod. As a hate crime officer, they may be able to speak to me in a very informal manner about any issues that they've got that I can highlight and flag up with the department that I work in and or the ASB department as well. Also with me today is my colleague PC Mavis Thompson. She's Representative Workforce Officer and she's also going to be engaging with members of the community to see about any potential recruitment. I do hope that members of the community will be able to engage with us as the police, but also the other partner agencies that are here, so that they know that if something is going wrong for them, whatever capacity that may be, that they know that there's a lot of agencies out there that can help and support them, not just the police. Housing are here, health officials are here, third sector organisations are here, so it just allows people to realise that they're not on their own should something go wrong for them in their lives.